Ladies and gentlemen, my fellow Indonesians, good afternoon. It is with great pride and humility that I stand before you today as the president of this remarkable nation, our beloved Indonesia. As we gather here, I am reminded of the immense beauty and diversity that defines our country. From Sabang to Merauke, we are tapestry of cultures, language, and traditions woven together by our shared history and our collective aspiration for a better future. Indonesia has always been a land of dreams. It is a place where hopes are nurtured, where resilience is a way of life, and where unity in diversity is not just a motto, but the very essence of our identity. Today, I want to speak to you about our shared journey, where we have been, where are we now, and where we are headed to as a nation. First, let us reflect on our past. Our history is one of the struggle, sacrifice, and perseverance. We have faced challenges that could have torn us apart, but instead they have made us stronger. Our fight for independence, led by the bravery of our ancestors, was not just a struggle for freedom from colonial rule, but a fight for dignity, for the right to determine our own destiny. In the years since, we have built a nation from the ground up. We have turned challenges into opportunities, and we have shown the world what can be achieved when a nation is united in its purpose. We have developed our infrastructure, improved our education system, and advanced our economy. But of course, there is still much more to be done. Now, let us consider where we stand today. Indonesia is at a critical juncture. The global landscape is changing rapidly, and we must adapt to these changes while staying true to our values. We face issues that demand our immediate attention: economic inequality, environmental sustainability, access to quality education and healthcare, and the need to ensure that our democracy remains strong and vibrant. Our economy is growing, but we must ensure that this growth benefits all Indonesians, not just a select few. We must create jobs, particularly for our youth, and ensure that they are equipped with the skills they need to thrive in a rapidly changing world. Education is the key to unlocking the potential of our young people, and we must invest in it as if the future of our nation depends on it, because it does. On the global stage, Indonesia must continue to be a leader in promoting peace, stability, and cooperation in Southeast Asia and beyond. Our voice is respected, and we must use it to advocate for the principles we hold dear: democracy and human rights and sustainable development. Finally, let us look to the future. The future of Indonesia lies in our ability to innovate, to embrace new technologies, and to harness the creativity and energy of our people. We must build an economy that is not only strong but also sustainable. ensuring that our natural resources are preserved for future generations. We must continue to uphold the values of Pancasila, our guiding philosophy that embodies the principles of belief in God, a just and civilized humanity, the unity of Indonesia, democracy led by the wisdom of deliberation, and social justice for all Indonesians. These values are our foundation, and they must guide us as we navigate the challenge and opportunities that lie ahead. But the future is not just something we wait for. It is something we must build together. Each one of us has a role to play in shaping the Indonesia of tomorrow. Whether you are a farmer, a teacher, a business owner, or a student, your contributions matter. Together we can create a nation that is not only prosperous, but also just, where every Indonesian has the opportunity to reach their full potential. In closing, let me say this: Indonesia's greatest strength is its people. Our resilience, our unity, and our commitment to one another are what will carry us forward. Let us continue to work together to support one another and build a nation that we can all be proud of, a nation that future generations will look back on with gratitude and pride. Thank you. May God bless Indonesia. Merdeka!